Hey, what's going on, everybody? Happy Monday. Thank everybody that's been subscribing, everybody that's been liking the videos, commenting. I'm going to respond back to all you guys' comments. Everybody's comments here. Probably today, after y'all see this video, I'll be on my computer responding to comments. Or tomorrow, I might just make a video. I might just go look at all the comments and see what they're all saying, and then I might just do a video tomorrow, just kind of like a quick 5-minute video. But as y'all can see by the thumbnail, we're about to look at this 2012 Impala that I picked up off of back lots. It's dirty as. I don't think this is gonna be that big of a deal, but I think it'd be more. I might have to talk to Wilson and just see if. But you'll probably have to repaint all of that because that's the clear coming off of it. As y'all can see, the clear coming off the trunk. So it's just clears coming off of there. It's Hyundai, came from a Hyundai dealership wholesale. It's very dirty. Gotta lock it around like. Yeah, I can see. Look at that seat. Been some broke in. A lot of mass. So it probably worked in the medical field. Probably worked in the medical field. So I don't know. I don't know if the clear coat gonna be. Got the good old Ecotech in there, 4 bangers. Good old Ecotech 4 bangers. Tires in good condition. Hop in. Oh man, that seat just fall. You just fall right into the seat. Fire right up. I don't want that AC on because I don't want to be smelling whatever's in here. To the detail shop, you got cups, that. Person had Allstate insurance, so he was in good hands. But I'm gonna take y'all down the street. Go down the street. Take y'all. Make sure we got all the shifts and stuff. It does have a check engine light on. Have to see what that's about. Don't worry about the brake wheel. I'll take y'all to my picture spot. I got actually 2 picture spots, honestly. That I'll take pictures of. Check engine on. Shifting like it's supposed to. Go to this little church. It ain't got no shaking, no rattling. Yeah. And this got the oil changed on it. So they capping up, whoever had it, capping up with the oily changes. So paid $1,200 for it. It's a 2012. Yeah, it's very dirty. But a lot of times people don't like buying cars that's dirty and needing some little work. You know, that little piece. You know, I don't mind. But like I said, the tires are good, and all the stuff that it needs is really like, cause I don't know where that's been sitting at. It needs this, which that ain't nothing. I can just replace the whole panel, probably be easy. I could probably get that. That'll be easy. Needs to be detailed. Needs a driver's seat. Clear coat, I'm not gonna paint it. I'm not gonna paint it. I'll be spending money, because spending a lot of money. Is it gonna really affect the value? The trunk not being painted? Maybe. I don't know. I might talk to Wilson, see how much it charge, but I know when you paint something with the clear coat and you gotta go repaint something, I know it gets kind of expensive, even though it's painting up just a little bit of area, you know. I don't know. Then this bumper right there, so I don't know. Maybe can find a matching color bumper. Maybe might be something out the salvage yard. I could get the matching color bumper. Y'all see it? It ain't shaking. It ain't no rattling. Tires are good. Once you get the fresh, crispy detail on there, you know. Once you get that fresh and crispy detailage. So, let y'all do another walk around of it. What is this for? Oh, that's just that. Get another good look of it. Quiet, sounding good. Go hook the check engine, go hook the scanner up to it. Go back, hook my Scantron up to it. This is where I take my pictures at, you know, where that sun hit it with that good old reflective light over there. So it's about a 12, then it was like the fire fee, then it was like 200 to get it back. So I got like 1,500 in there total. 2012, so for about 4,000, 4,500, you know, make 2,500 plus profit. We all good. See, look, I can even wave to y'all. Let y'all know the alignment's in good. The alignment, so it took probably was like looking like traveling nurse or something like that, home health or whatever. So probably was in the car a lot. Didn't really keep it clean, but it's all good though, you know. Ain't nothing. That's why you take it down the street to get it detailed. You fix all the other stuff. Then, you know, it ain't nothing mechanical, it ain't nothing motor, transmission, the heat and the AC work. So all the other stuff, see, people look at all the external stuff and be upset. Let's see, got some customers from. Alright, let me ask some customers, but I'll get back to them in a second. We ain't know. But you know, a lot of people look at it like some people want to buy it because they'll look at the seat, then they'll look how dirty it is on the inside. Like, I don't know why people be caring about how dirty something is on the inside. Like, if you ain't detailing the car yourself, then it really doesn't matter how dirty it is on the inside. So we got our little portable scanner that we keep. This is a little portable joint. So we throwing one code, engine, catalyst. It's all catalyst, so catalyst. So then you just Google that code. Sometimes it be like the converter is stopped up, but I don't feel like the converter is stopped up or partially stopped up. Sometimes, you know, the catalyst stuff comes off when people put that bad gas in there, so that messes with the. That's neutral. A lot of times the catalyst when people put that bad fuel up in their system, it makes that come on too. And so like that'll be like the evap, the catalyst, all that good stuff start coming on. don't feel like the converter stopped up anyway. But appreciate y'all for tuning in. If y'all haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I always want y'all guys' feedback, everybody's feedback. So let me know in the comment section below. Would you get that? Back painted? And then also, what would you sell it for? How much would you sell it for? I would like to know that. I always want to know what people sell it for. Me, $4,000, $4,500, fair price. Somebody get them a newer car for around $4,000. I believe that's more than fair. But let me know what y'all sell it for. I appreciate y'all. I'm out. I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video.